If you have a creative flair, love people, and are looking for a career in a vibrant industry, then Coleg Gwen's hairdressing courses could be a great choice for you. With the demand for hairdressers and barbers set to increase over the next few years, now is a great time to kickstart your career. We've fantastic industry standard salon equipment, and we open to the public so you can gain valuable experience ready for the workplace. There's flexibility to study full and part-time with courses ranging from level 1 to 3. Some specialise in barbering, whilst others combine hair with theatrical makeup and wig making, so there's a good variety to choose from. Hairdressing courses are delivered through theory classes, practical workshops and real salon environments. Dependent on study level, you will touch on client consultations, cutting, colouring and promotion of products and services, developing a good range of skills. If competitions are your thing, you'll have the opportunity to get involved in the Inspiring Skills Wales and UK World Skills hairdressing competitions and the chance to gain nationally recognised success. To find out more about hairdressing courses, visit our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.